Now let's add your store policies. So go to settings and click on legal. Here you will be able to generate your refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy if you wanted to use it from this particular template. I recommend adding shipping policy and refund policy as separate pages, link them from online store because it will be much easier to add them to your navigation this way. You won't be able to link to those policies from your top or footer menu. However, these are quite useful to generate privacy policy and terms of service. So how to do it? Simply click create from template and it's been self-populated with your details being put. So obviously your business name and your email address. However, make sure to check the content that it really complies with your with what you want, obviously. And terms of service works the same way. Simply create from template, self-populated, and ready to be published in your store. And then click Save.